What's up, what's up, what's up, honey? It's your girl, Miss G. She's back with another video. First, let me just start by telling you the sun is coming in this sunroom today. No lights on at all. If I go here, look. Thank God for Jesus that I'm able to still do it in the daylight. You can't read my signs back here or anything, but we're gonna, pray. I hope y'all can see the food real good. I mean, in some spots it look a little like over here, I think it is, right here. Y'all can barely see our flowers, but I got flowers for you guys. And they still look really gorgeous. And I am hungry. I've been cooking for the kids because they called Ronson in early, so he had to go in early, and then Lewis is in there eating his food now. Today was election day. I hope everybody got in vote. But by the time this video go up, voting will be over. Now, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel and watching my videos in full. Hit the bell. You get an alert every time this girl drops a video. And if you visit, and voila, again, thank God for Jesus for you. Thank you for the visit. Thank you for the support. It really means a lot. I don't take it for granted that you watched my video in full. I thank you for that. I thank you for the thumbs up y'all leave me, the comments, the whole 9 yards. I am forever grateful. Okay, so I'm confused about where I can lean. And so I don't want to get too much of my face in the sun, but I don't want to stop the video, and I don't know what I can do, to be honest with you, because I like my blinds open. They're the wooden ones. But I made me some wontons. I sure did, honey. I did. These have crab meat in them. They're so good. I tried my best to make me this sauce here. So I took some sweet and sour sauce and I put some of that really good hot sauce that I like in it. And then I put some cayenne pepper in it. It tasted pretty good. I ate one of them with it and it seemed like it tastes pretty good to me. I made myself a nice salad. And I have me some jalapeno. I have my garlic over here. Y'all can barely see them. But I have 2, 4, 6 cloves. I'm not going to eat 6 because a lot of them are big. And the big ones, it seem like it, I don't know, it's peppery to me. I don't know. So in my salad, y'all know I have my little nice peppers. They little peppers I got from, where I get these little peppers from? Publix. They're so good. First bite. I have me a creamy French on here. I have just lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and bell pepper because I didn't have any cucumbers. I ate them all yesterday. So it is what it is. But at least I got me a salad. That's what counts. The kids are having salmon. Sam Club is out of blacking again. And yes, we done ate all the blacking we had. Or I would be having salmon too, because like I said, I like salmon, but I do prefer the blackened salmon, if I'm being honest. Okay, I need some. Bless that spoon from wanting to take heat and just jump. You see, I propped my stuff up with tomatoes today, honey child. I'll put a tomato up underneath it today. Oh God, this salad looks so good. It smells good. Can I tell you guys? Here we go, honey. First bite. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at there. Am I getting it? There it is. Uh-oh. I can't see. Look, don't spill. I gotta tilt really good. Oh, that looks good. I fried them. Yep, I fried them, pan fried them. Garlic. I hope your day been good. My day has really been good. I would have been closed today, but I opened because I'm going on vacation and I need this day. I hope your dinner gonna be as good as mine. Can I tell you, this salad is so good. Those wontons are good too, but this salad is really, really good. And the heat is paying. I mean, it is yummy. Mm. 3 garlics. I hope God hook y'all up how he did me, because this is good. I mean, it's really good. And it was good having Lewis home today, too. And Ronson, even though he had to go to work at 5. But it was good having him home today with me. Oh, so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. The sauce even came out pretty good. I mean, it came out pretty good. The reason I wanted it a little bit more spicy is because these wontons come from the Aldi's. And they don't sell them all the time. But the crab has the crab meat in here, and then it has cream cheese, which everybody knows cream cheese is a little sweet. And so it offsets it with this heat. Good. The good part is I can watch it in the screen here, or I can watch it here in my mirror to make sure I'm dipping it in the right spot. It's so good. Thank God for Jesus. That is good. Uh-oh. The sun is going down, which is kind of good because then it won't be so much sun coming in here. I mean, I'm a little dark up here now, but you know, he's getting hidden now by the clouds. Good. All the salad's gone. Benito. Oh, she was good too. So tonight I'm chilling, even though I have to work tomorrow. Excuse me. I am chilling because I am tired. I don't even know why. I slept all night long and got to sleep in a little bit because when Lewis don't have to get up early, I don't have to get up early. Because I don't have to do his breakfast early. I don't have to make him no lunch, you know, so I get to sleep at least 30 minutes longer. Okay. I did sleep 30 minutes longer though, but Christina came early, and so I let her in and I went to sleep. Her and I. And slept my little extra 30 minutes because I wanted it so bad. God. Pepper. Okay, so I'm going to open one. I know I showed it before on here, but I have to show it again so that y'all can see the inside. Can y'all see that crab meat and the cream cheese? Don't she look divine? You know, I was thinking of put a hot pepper on here. Even though it has the vinegar taste of the pepper. I guess that's why I don't do it. Good. I'm a little over. Hopefully by the time my son edit, I won't be. Y'all know exactly what time it is. It's time to put the sun down. Thank you for watching, honey, and thank you for spending time with me. Deuces. Peace. This girl is out. Yeah, she ain't got no light to turn on.